Cutting edge stock number 3613 is this 1993 Ranch Manufacturing belly dump trailer. Overall length on this, we're measuring it out to be about 41 feet. The belly dump itself is about 10 feet in length. Looks like a pretty good trailer. The cover looks to be automatic with some wires, an attachment that can connect up to the front. I'll show you that as we come around the front again. 20,000 pounds weight on the back axles is what the plate says on the trailer. This air tank reservoir here on the back is a 60-gallon air tank reservoir. There's the controls for the belly dump underneath. The mechanisms to open it and shut it, at least, I should say. Air suspension here in the back. Rubber looks to be okay, all in all. A little muddy right now, but all in all okay. Some of it's a little better than others, I would say. Some of these back tires on this right-hand side facing forward look to be a little more worn. You can see the air suspension in there. Come around the back side. Got a pretty steep hill right behind me here, so I can't easily get a little bit further away from the back without tripping on video. This fender here has got a little bit of a ding to it. A couple of nicks and dings and things on the trailer, but all in all, it looks like it's in good shape. These are the controls for the belly dump right here. There's the cover for the top up there. Controls on the front for the mechanisms to open and close the belly dump on the front here. There's the landing gear up front. Here's the plate. Here's where the wires for the cover come through to likely connect to an external or up into the cab. And here's the fifth wheel connector up underneath. This is a 1993 Ranch Manufacturing belly dump trailer. Looks like a good one.